The old man and I were joking just less than half a month ago about how it almost seems like spring in the wintertime. We were bullshitting about how global warming's probably not the worst thing, since that way we just won't have to move and we could stay in Ohio and enjoy Florida weather one day. Well, that's wishful thinking. Knowing this storm was coming for 3 days, and today's the day that I picked to drain the oil in my fucking snowblower. There's at least 10 inches on the ground. At least. In some places, there's drifts up to 15. But, well, one would think that there's no escape from this winter hellscape. I went through my plow clothes from last year and found a pack of Camel Crush Silvers. About half a pack. So my little escape while I wait for that oil to drain in this cold weather is a year-old girl cigarette. More menthol. Not bad.